of you. Hi, I'm Alya, and I'm going to school today. Let's go together. Hey, follow me. Today, we're going to learn about shapes. Shapes are everywhere, in toys, in food, even in the sky. Let's start with our first shape. It's a circle, like a wheel, or the moon, and even a yummy pizza.
A circle spins like a wheel on the go. The moon and a pizza both round, you know.
Are you ready for the next super fun shape? Here we go. It's a triangle. It has 3 straight sides and 3 corners, like a slice of watermelon, a piece of cheese, and the tip of an ice cream cone.
A triangle's shape has corners 3, like watermelon, cheese, and cones we see.
Are you ready for the next super fun shape? Here we go. It's a square. It has 4 equal sides and 4 corners, like a picture frame, a pillow, and a gift box.
A square is neat with 4 same sides, like pillows, gifts, and picture frames bright.
Are you ready for the next super fun shape? Here we go. It's a rectangle. It has 4 sides, 2 long and 2 short. You can see rectangles in a book, a door, and a window.
A rectangle's tall or sometimes wide, like a door, a window, or books inside.
Are you ready for the next super fun shape? Here we go. It's a star. But you don't have to look for stars in the sky, because you are a star. And just like a star, you shine bright.
And last comes star, the brightest by far. No need to search, you are the star.
Thanks for watching.